Okta Research has just published a new set of findings from its survey, which was conducted from July 4 to 11. So July 6 was the start of the impeachment trial. So part of the survey period, people were already watching or knew that it was going on. And its most significant finding is that a large plurality, 43% of voting age Filipinos, think that the most serious of the 4 allegations is bribery. Now,
Yes.
bribery is Article 3, the third article of impeachment. And I think in the pretrial order, they only asked for 5 trial dates. This
Yes.
involved the alleged bribery of DepEd staff,
Yes.
right? Is this the reason why that came out as the finding? Is it because most people are just beginning to tune in? Yun yung
Pamilya.
parang pamilyar, no? Parang yun yung framework na okay, kung corruption, bribery to, parang ganon. And then would there be a chance for people to change their minds with the evidence and so on?
Definitely, especially if media and social media, they do their job properly and make all the other articles more accessible. There is an even chance people will also appreciate the gravity of this misuse of public funds as well as unexplained wealth.
Okay.
But for now, yung padulas, yung to buy influence, to buy solution to problems. Yan
Naintindihan ng
kasi
marami.
yung yan kasi yung anyon ng graft and corruption sa ibaba Di ba? So, may resentment. While people do engage in it, they do so out of any other, an absence of options.
Yeah.
No? So, sige na lang. But they resent it, I would imagine.
Interesting, ha? Interesting.